Most people are not struggling because they're lazy. They're struggling because they're walking a road that was never designed to make them wealthy. From the time we're young, we're handed the same script. Go to school, get good grades, find a secure job, work hard, save a little, invest in retirement funds, and someday, maybe after 40 years, you'll be free. It sounds logical, it sounds safe. But here's the uncomfortable question. If this is such a reliable path, why do so many people follow it for decades and never feel free? Why do salaries go up but anxiety stays there? Why do people who work 10 or 12-hour days still feel trapped in limitation? The Millionaire Fastlane, written by M.J. DeMarco, tears into the myth that hard work inside the traditional system automatically equals wealth. It doesn't reject work or saving, it just shows you that the path itself determines your freedom. If you're driving the wrong vehicle, effort won't get you to the destination faster. Let's unpack the lessons. 1. The fast lane is about structure, not speed. When people first hear fast lane, they picture get rich quick. Any schemes. That's not what this is. The fast lane isn't about shortcuts or wild risk. It's about building a structure where your income is no longer permanently tied to your personal hours. 4 pillars define fast lane thinking: control, leverage, value creation, and time freedom. Control means you decide how income is created. You're not praying for promotions, asking permission for raises, or waiting for the economy. For example, someone running their own online brand or consulting firm controls what they charge, who they work with, and how they grow. Leverage means your effort reaches beyond you. A teacher tutoring 10 students per week trades time for money. A teacher who builds an online course reaches thousands with the same content. That's leverage your work scales without multiplying your hours. Value creation means solving meaningful problems. Money follows. Value, not time. Think about it. Jeff Bezos didn't become wealthy by working 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. He became wealthy by building a platform that solved millions of people's problems in one place. Time freedom means the system earns whether you're present or not. It might be a business, app, brand, or investment that runs independent of you. Your job then becomes guiding the system, not powering it with your hours. When you combine these 4 concepts, you stop chasing paychecks and start constructing engines. 2. The 3 paths that determine your financial future. DeMarco simplifies the world into 3 lanes: sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. Each one represents not just income strategy but philosophy. The sidewalk chaos disguised as freedom. Money comes in, money goes out. No saving, no plan, no direction. Every new paycheck resets the game to 0. Many people on this path look relaxed, new gadgets, nice weekends, but behind the scenes, any small emergency can destroy stability. The sidewalk feels exciting while it's happening, but it's the illusion of control. The slow lane, the traditional road, this is where most responsible adults live. You get a good job, earn steady income, save what you can, and invest through decades of compounding interest. It works mathematically, but the price is time. Take Michael, a 30-year-old engineer. He saves 15%, builds a retirement portfolio, and follows every expert rule. If markets cooperate, maybe by 65 he'll be comfortable, but his freedom remains 20 or 30 years away. If he gets sick or loses the job, progress collapses. The slow lane depends on predictability and patience, not design. You work, you save, but you never truly control outcomes. The fast lane design beats duration. This lane changes structure completely. You build systems, a business, a service, intellectual property, a digital asset that can earn even while you rest. Instead of one-to-one effort, you move to one-to-many impact. Think of a software developer who builds a useful app. After release, thousands use it daily. Support and updates take effort, but income continues whether the developer works 8 hours or 2. Or imagine a writer who publishes a course or book that sells worldwide. Each copy generates income without their physical presence. That's the heart of fast lane thinking. Work now to build structures that replace time with systems. 3. Why most people stay stuck. The issue isn't laziness, it's structure. Trading time for money. If you're paid by the hour or by attendance, your income stops when you stop. There's a hard cap. Single income dependence. One paycheck means 1 point of failure. Lose it, everything falls. Blind faith in time. People believe slow compounding plus age equals freedom. But inflation, economic shifts, and health realities often rewrite that story. Lifestyle inflation. Each raise leads to a bigger car, larger house, or better phone. Expenses chase income. Freedom never arrives. Each of these feels normal, but normal simply means average. and average rarely equals financially free. 4. Shift from earning to building. This is the single largest mental shift of the entire book. Most people focus on earning, working today, getting paid tomorrow. The Fastlane mindset focuses on building, creating something that can move value even when you're not touching it. A business counts, yes, but so can a digital product, an app, licensing intellectual property, or even building communities and platforms that later monetize. Imagine Michael again. He keeps his job but starts an online service addressing a small, specific problem he understands. He works evenings, learns marketing, talks to early clients, iterates. After a couple of years, it earns modest, passive income. Over time, he refines systems until it runs mostly without him. He hasn't just earned, he's built. One source of income became two, and the second no longer depends on a boss's permission or the clock on the wall. That's structure over effort. Number 5. The 5 principles that define real wealth opportunities. DeMarco calls these the sense framework: command, entry, need, time, and scale. Or more simply, 5 filters for judging whether an idea deserves your energy. Need: solve problems that matter. Money follows meaningful solutions. Instagram solved easy photo sharing. Airbnb solved unused space. The bigger or deeper the problem, the higher the value potential. Entry: low competition usually requires higher skill. If something's too easy, everyone's already doing it. Your advantage might come from expertise, courage, or specialization. Control: keep the steering wheel. If your income depends on someone else's platform or one major client, you're not truly free. Build ownership rather than reliance. Scale: reach beyond yourself. Coaching one client per hour caps growth. Coaching through recorded courses or group models multiplies reach with similar effort. Technology, automation, or media are multipliers for scale. Time: detach income from constant presence. A dentist can only treat one mouth at a time. A dentist who designs dental tools sells them worldwide while sleeping. Systems make time abundant. These 5 principles turn ideas into filters so you don't chase fads. If your plan fails, most of them, it's probably another slow lane disguised as innovation. 6. Income versus wealth. And the danger of looking rich. High income isn't equal to wealth. They operate on different clocks. Income flows to you, wealth stays behind and keeps working. A doctor earning $400,000 but spending $390,000 lives hostage to the next paycheck. Meanwhile, an entrepreneur earning half that but owning appreciating assets or automated systems can step away without panic and appearance? It often betrays the truth. Luxury cars, trendy clothes, and constant travel look rich but frequently signal high burn rate. Low ownership. Wealthy people often reinvest quietly in unseen systems assets that compound instead of depreciate. Looking rich creates social applause. Being rich creates time freedom. Choose carefully which applause you're chasing. 7. Execution. The bridge from knowledge to freedom. Reading concepts feels productive. Execution is what changes reality. Most people stay stuck in what DeMarco calls sidewalk education, endlessly consuming motivation, waiting for clarity before acting. But clarity doesn't precede action. Clarity follows action. Think of someone wanting to start a YouTube channel. They analyze, watch tutorials, compare cameras, but never upload. Another person starts with a basic phone, posts 10 times, improves each video, learns editing, audience, marketing, and eventually outgrows all the perfectionists still planning. Same applies to business, investments, and skills. You don't need flawless knowledge. You need motion that produces feedback. Action is the gatekeeper between wishing and building. Mistakes aren't the enemy. Staying stationary is. Number 8. The practical shift from monthly earnings to value creation. In daily life, this shift looks like asking new questions. Instead of, how can I earn more this month? Ask, what can I create that will keep producing even when I stop working on it? That could mean building a useful tool, starting a scalable service, authoring content that earns royalties, or automating a freelance skill into a small agency. It's not instant. Nothing worth keeping arrives instantly. But direction matters more than speed. Once your energy points toward building repeatable value, every hour of effort becomes an investment, not an expense. The fast lane isn't fast because it skips steps. It's fast because it compounds your effort instead of restarting it every Monday. 9. The core truth: build systems, not excuses. At its core, the Millionaire Fast Lane delivers one profound message. Hard work alone isn't enough if it sits inside the wrong system. You can work forever in the slow lane and still be one paycheck from crisis. But build the right system, one that uses leverage, solves needs, and scales without constant presence and freedom becomes a matter of time, not fantasy. So, stop measuring success by hours spent or promotions earned. Measure by leverage gained, ownership built, and value created. Because wealth isn't about speed, it's about direction. The fast lane path doesn't promise overnight miracles. It promises a design where your intelligence, creativity, and persistence finally multiply instead of loop. And that's where real freedom, financial, personal, and creative, finally begins.